This is All India Radio. The news read by Valsa Williams. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will preside over the valedictory function of Arogya Manthan in New Delhi in a short while. The two-day event is being organized by the National Health Authority to mark the completion of 1 year of Ayushman Bharat PMJAY. Mr. Modi will launch a new mobile application of Ayushman Bharat and Ayushman Bharat Startup Grand Challenge and also release a commemorative stamp. The Prime Minister will also interact with select beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat PMJAY. Our correspondent reports that the purpose of Arogya Manthan is to provide a platform to meet all important stakeholders of PMJAY and discuss challenges faced in the implementation of the scheme in the past year. It also aims to forge a new understanding and create pathways towards improving implementation. New Delhi today said its stand has been clear for decades that there is no scope for any third-party mediation between India and Pakistan on Kashmir, and that the two countries can discuss the issue bilaterally. Talking to a group of Indian journalists in Washington, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar categorically rejected any scope for third-party mediation and said whatever has to be discussed bilaterally. The minister said India has categorically told the international community that the scrapping of Article 370 was an internal matter and also advised Pakistan to accept the reality. Bharatiya Janata Party has released the first list of 125 candidates for the upcoming Maharashtra Assembly elections to be held on the 21st of this month. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis will contest from Nagpur Southwest constituency, while BJP Maharashtra Chief Chandrakant Patil has got the party ticket from Kothurud in Pune and Ms. Pankaja Munde from Parli in Bid district. The party also announced candidature of Udayan Raje Bhosle for the Lok Sabha by-election to be held in Satara constituency. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today asked his ministry to take care of even the smallest need of the last soldier standing. Addressing a function on the occasion of Defence Accounts Day, Mr. Singh said the department is responsible for accounting of every single paisa of national defence budget and they are doing a great service to the nation. The minister also gave away Raksha Mantri Excellence Awards to 35 teams and individuals for the implementation of innovative schemes and bringing positive change. In Bihar, 56 people were killed in flood incidents throughout the state. Maximum 21 casualties have been reported from Bhagalpur, Gaya and Kaimur districts. Over 16 lakh people are reeling under the impact of flood in 15 districts. The worst situation in Patna, where over 3 lakh people have been affected due to the worst ever waterlogging. Meanwhile, the centre has directed all concerned to provide all assistance sought by the Bihar government to meet the crisis arising out of the flood situation in the state. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba took stock of the situation, preparedness, rescue and relief operations in Bihar at the meeting of the National Crisis Management Committee this morning. The meeting was informed that 4 heavy-duty pumps made available by the Ministry of Coal are reaching Patna today, which will pump out about 3,000 gallons per minute from waterlogged areas. Extensive evacuation, rescue and relief efforts have been undertaken by the state government machinery, in which all assistance has been rendered by the NDRF and other central agencies. Teams from central ministries have already carried out assessment of damages in the state. A central team will again visit the state to take stock of the situation. The Supreme Court today fixed the 14th of November to commence hearing on a batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the centre's decision to abrogate Article 370 that gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir. A 5-judge constitution bench, headed by Justice N.V. Ramana, has given 4 weeks' time to the centre and the Jammu and Kashmir administration to file counter-affidavits on petitions challenging scrapping of Article 370. The Apex Court also put an embargo on filing of any fresh writ petition challenging constitutional validity on abrogation of Article 370. In women's cricket, the 4th T20 match between India and South Africa will be played in Surat this evening. The game is scheduled to begin at 7 p.m. And with that, we end this news bulletin.